All these different things we go to, and they're all so different from each other. This is how the tropics
Look
are.
like that.
Yeah, it's incredible. You know what a strange habitat we're in right now. It's almost like an orchard or something. That's what it reminds me of. It's like the poppy fields in Wizard of Oz or something.
Like a spider. In the glass spider. What?
Like how many mosquitoes are out here?
I don't care about it.
Well, I know. That's how it goes. Count yourself lucky that you're with me. If they would have bit you, they're not going to now. I am like filet mean. Whoa.
What?
See all these tracks, right?
Mhm.
That's so cool. Who knows when, but at some point a big cat came walking through here not too long ago. That's pretty cool. Even if we don't end up seeing it.
You're saying we don't see it.
Oh yeah, I guess my point is just, you know, be happy that you saw the tracks. It's cool to know that we share the same
You know
space.
it's one like that.
Yeah, I see. What's up? You know, hold your hand as we walk past that anthill. As long as you don't step on it, there's nothing to worry about. Be watchful of the ground because we're in anthill country for some reason. In like bizarro land, generally.
Why was the bobcat at?
Yeah, he's favored the same trail we do. Keep away from the itchies, probably, just like we are.
I don't think this is how long this is getting really serious.
Huh?
This is getting really serious. I'm not sure to walk this trail.
I cannot understand. You're saying
I'm not sure we should walk this trail anymore.
No, I'm not that worried about it. I understand, but we're not coming through real quiet. And we're not coming through real fast.
Mhm.
I think it'll be okay.
Is it about?
Tons of places for snakes to hide, other than where we're walking.
Mhm.
It's coming to an end up there. I don't really understand, like, why somebody just hasn't been doing their job. How come this isn't cut? It's supposed to be like a park.
A preserve.
Oh, Chester, get that lawnmower fired up, huh? Come on. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Ooh, what's up here?
What?
Up on the right. I want to see what that is.
A bobcat?
Changes? No! I'll let you know if I see a bobcat. How's that? I'll make it explicit that I'm referring to a bobcat. So look, here's a spot where he could come through. Under the fence.
Ooh.
It's like a trail or something through there. Ugh. Tired of this mud. So what is this, the backyard of somebody's house?
Yeah.
Pretty much. There. You guys come by for the Boxing Day party?
That's not going the other trail now.
You want to turn around?
Mhm.
The other trail? What
Yeah.
other trail?
There's another trail we walked out in the summer.
Oh.
Remember?